Okay, so we're out here in the North Oregon woods, and we've been out here for about 4 days, during which time we found heaps of different types of berries. And in this video, I quickly want to run through some of those berries to show you how good you can eat out here. So let's hop to it.
Oh, that smells good. Nice guy. Oh, that one's good.
Oh damn, actually those are gooseberries.
Oh.
Yeah, some of them have thorns. Good eye, Kelsey.
I like finding berries. You said those ones were thimbleberries.
And the reason is that they're kind of flat like a thimble.
Yeah, they look different than raspberries. And like black.
They learn quick. Thimbleberries. Show me what you got.
Well, I smushed it, but
Yeah. It's like a mega load, huh?
There's one right there that looks really good.
Get in there, as Theo Vaughn would say.
Yeah.
Oh! They're like candy.
What
Let's
are
see.
these ones? Not edible.
Not sure.
this
Not
looks like
sure.
you don't want to eat this.
Wild raspberries. They're so flavorful. So good. Look at them, they're everywhere. Look. This one's kind of dry, but there's still a few to be had. Nope. Can't get anywhere when you know wild edibles. Okay, so another berry worth mentioning is this one right here. This is a black raspberry, and unfortunately right now they're not in season, but you know that it's a black raspberry because the stem is kind of pinkish purple. And so in late June, these things are very tasty. You can see that its cousin, the regular raspberry, is in season. So there's the red berry. Black raspberries look just like this, except they're black, hence the black raspberry. And as you can see, the regular raspberry stem is not purple. So black raspberry, regular raspberry. Pick one more. somewhere. Find a good one. How about this one right here?
Oh yeah. That looks like a good one.
So berries are nature's gifts to the human, to the creature. And they're really meant to be eaten. Because nature doesn't know that we humans developed complicated toilet systems. So a berry's hope is that you'll eat it, swallow the seeds, and then later on, you'll poop the seeds out in a nice little pile of fertilizer, thus making more berries. So, while it's not a good idea to pull plants out with the roots and just go ham on, you know, chopping stuff down, you can totally eat berries to your heart's content without damaging the plant. Look at these tiny little guys. These are red huckleberries. They're so small, but boy, so fragrant.
You good?
Good?
Oh wow, those are the best ones yet. They taste like candy.
There you have it, folks. They taste like candy. Mmm.
Eating the bear's food.
Another berry that's very delicious, but also not in season, is the wild strawberry. And it's literally all over the forest. 3 little serrated leaves, and they just cover the ground. Wild strawberry. How pretty is that? They just look like little dingleberries under the stalk of the plant. Ah, look at these things. They look like fish bait. Not my favorite berry to eat. I don't so much mind the consistency. Some people don't like it. They're kind of slimy. But if you get hungry and you run out of food, I think you'll change the tune of your whistle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you got a bunch more branches in there. Look at those berries. Yummers. We got some more right there. Easy to miss, but once you spot them, you see them everywhere. I found one more. This is a wild rose, and these are wild rose hips. Totally edible. They kind of taste like little apples, because roses and apples are in the same family. They're a little bit seedy though, but quite delicious. Up the trail away, there's some more wild rose hips. The nice thing about these berries is that they should last well into the fall, maybe even the winter. So this is like winter survival food right here. Here's a cool little berry that I'm actually unfamiliar with. So this berry right here is not one that I know. Let's find a good one to show you guys. So it's kind of dark purple. It's got this little flower on top of it. If you heed only one rule, it is this: don't eat something if you don't know what it is. That'll keep you safe 100% of the time. Given that I don't know this, I'm going to take a video of this, take a picture of this, then I'm going to take those photos home and reference this berry, find out what it is from some of my trusty wild edibles books. And once I deem it edible, I'm going to try it very cautiously to make sure that I'm not allergic to it. And that's how we ID unknown food in a safe and responsible fashion. So this little specimen right here, kind of a tiny little specimen, but these are serviceberries. And serviceberries are essentially like another type of blueberry. They're a bit more mealy than blueberries. And they grow on shrubs. But like I said, with the previous berries, in a survival situation, these things taste pretty darn good. And the key tell of serviceberries is that they usually grow on shrubs more than bushes. This is not much of a shrub, but it's what we have to work with. As John Kalis always says, nature's not here for your convenience. So you take that into account. One thing worth noting is that serviceberries are ripe when they're dark blue. So none of these berries in my hand are actually ripe. So now you know. White baneberries. Check it out. These are poisonous. They look like yogurt covered raisins. You definitely should not eat those things. They will be not good for you. So obviously that's just a very quick glimpse at all the berries that are available. This is not a comprehensive guide. If you want a more comprehensive outlook on all the edible berries with more detailed descriptions on how to find them and identify them, check out my book. It's called Wild Edibles. It's available in bookstores and on Amazon, and I'll link to it in the description below this video. It's a very good book. I'm super duper proud of it, and I think you're gonna love it too. I also have an ebook about edible berries as well. I'm gonna link to it below. That way you can upload it to your phone, take it hiking with you, and you'll have easy access to all the information that you need to harvest berries safely and responsibly. So at this point, I'm gonna finish up, turn the camera off, and enjoy the rest of my hike. Thanks for watching. Bye.